Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data science using an easy method. We'll start by understanding the foundational concepts, which are crucial for building a strong base. Then, we'll select the right tools, focusing on accessible programming languages like Python or R. This approach helps you quickly grasp the essentials without feeling overwhelmed, setting you up for practical application and future growth. Next, let's focus on the essential skills and tools that form the backbone of data science. Mastering a programming language like Python or R is key, as is learning SQL for database interactions. A solid grasp of statistics helps you interpret data accurately, and knowing how to visualize your findings makes complex information understandable to others. These are your foundational building blocks. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice through hands-on projects. Start with small, manageable tasks to build confidence and apply what you've learned. Engaging in online data challenges can provide valuable real-world scenarios and feedback. Building a diverse portfolio of projects is crucial for demonstrating your skills to potential employers, showing your practical problem-solving abilities. Finally, data science is an evolving field, so continuous learning is vital for long-term success. Keep exploring new tools and methodologies to stay current and competitive. Consider specializing in areas like machine learning or artificial intelligence as your expertise grows. Networking with peers and mentors can open doors to new opportunities and insights, fostering ongoing professional development.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.